One of the things that parents are most petrified of is losing their kids. But when the protective services worker knocks on the door, it's really important to stay calm and to think clearly. And what you have to think about is, who is that person who could care for my children, either in their own home or in my home during this investigation? It can be a relative or a friend. It's often easier to get relatives approved than friends. Another option would be if you were to stay in your house with your kids and have one of these trusted individuals move in your home and give you 24-hour supervision with your children. One thing that people need to remember is that protective services investigations are different than police investigations. And where in a police investigation, you have an absolute right to remain silent and everything you say can and will be used against you, you don't necessarily have that protection in a protective services interview. However, anything you say that is not protected in a civil proceeding, like a child protection proceeding, it is admissible and would be used against you if you also had criminal charges for the conduct that's underlying this protective services investigation. I've been doing this for 26 years, and one thing I notice over and over again is that parents really do mean well. Parents do try to do the right thing. And when your child is injured, or there's a mark that you don't recognize, or not acting the way they usually do, then that's a circumstance where we take our children to the doctor or to the emergency room or whatever needs to happen. But that's when everything gets a little scary, because if anything is found by the medical people that you don't have an explanation for, you are then going to find yourself in a situation where you are accused of child abuse, and it really is a rush to judgment because their priority is to protect your children. It's not to figure out if you did it or not. I'm sure you've never found yourself in this situation before, and it's scary, it's unanticipated, it's unplanned, and you're worried. So it's hard to think clearly in this situation, and that's where I come in. I can be the voice of you and your children. I can help you navigate the situation and protect your family. So give me a call.